Yeah. Yeah. Man, I cook for no man. What I mean? Yeah. We have some ackee. So we'll get some saltfish, you know? Yeah, we have some bird here, peeps. Yeah. So peeps, check out the videos. It's gonna be epic today, guys. So we're gonna fry bird and cook down some ackee with some flour and yam. You see me? Yeah. So peeps, stay tuned. See the peeps? Yes. Cut up a bird them, you know? Yes, peeps. Yeah man, ackee there, see me. So I have ackee boil. I get the saltfish soak and boil with the ackee. You see me? And I have a bird fry. So remember guys, stay tuned to the video peeps and hope you enjoy this one. Alright peeps. Yeah, see me have on the ackee and some water go boil up. Yeah, make the ackee cook. You see me? So after the ackee cook peeps, me make you see procedure, you see me? So stay tuned peeps. So as I say peeps, I get him over into this basin. So now I go season up now guys. Already cut up and clean up, wash off and everything. So season up now peeps. See the peeps? I season them up now. I will season up on them, so I cut up some ground season on them now. So I make a see the season and I cut up a cement peeps. So sweet pepper, onion, we have the scallion, the pepper and the garlic. Yes peeps. So we have a season of the pot now peeps. So as soon as we done season up guys, I make you take a look at it. And this is the meat over here peeps. Yeah man. Yeah man. Ackee and saltfish. That of the season for saltfish and ackee peeps. Yeah. So I'm gonna get the season dice up peeps. So after I finish cut it up, you will see it a fry up. You see me? So stay tuned guys. Yeah, see flour here just knead up guys. You see me? So I wait for the water to be hot now. So I can get in the flour. Then I get in the yam. Because the yam easy cook guys. Yeah. Alright guys, so stay tuned to the video guys and I hope you enjoy this one peeps. Yeah. And I hope you like, subscribe and comment. Alright guys. Yeah. Water boil up. Yeah. So I'm gonna get in the man now the flour in the Z and the yam. So I've been showing the flour. I get in the yam same time guys. So stay tuned peeps. Alright peeps, see eh? I use the bigger one. Yeah, the big yam, you know. Yeah. See you eat today, see it. I get in my season them now guys. After I get in my season, I put in the saltfish. Okay peeps? Yeah. So after I put in the saltfish peeps, I'll get in the ackee. Yeah, that is the finishing touch guys. Yeah man. Yes man. Oil hot. Flour go and boil up. Yeah. Yeah. So I'm gonna get in the season man now, you see me? See them go and fry up, you know? Yeah man. Go and fry up these. Jamaican favorite dish peeps. Yeah man, ackee. That's my favorite dish too guys. Yeah man. Yeah man. Saltfish gone in now. Saltfish go and fry a little bit too. Yeah. See the peeps? Ackee gone in now. Yeah. Yes, peeps. Ackee go and deal with, guys. Yeah, man. Jamaican national dish. Ackee and saltfish with flour and yam, peeps. Yeah. So, guys, I hope you like this one, guys. Yeah, man. The ackee the peeps. Yes, no peeps. I had for the bird them, peeps. And if you remember the bird them, yeah. You know? Yeah, man. So guys, well, catch you in a video, guys, you know? Yeah, man. Alright, flower pot time for rock off. So I get some flour and saltfish to eat meanwhile the pot are hot up, guys. So you make a see what go on, peeps. So stay tuned. So guys, yeah, man. Smell nice too, you know? So I'll take a taste all time, peeps. Just the ackee alone, guys. I'm telling you the taste. John no peeps, nah, like you. Tastes good. Yeah. Garlic and pepper, peeps. Yeah, man. Alright, peeps. Bird gone in. Yeah. Turn them, you know. Yes, no, man. First I bird them this up. Yeah. The peeps. Yeah. So after the second text come off, peeps, you make it see what of them, isn't it? So stay tuned, peeps. Yeah. Come on. Bird them, you know. Yes, peeps. So peeps, as I say, hope you like this one, guys. We'll put out more videos soonly. So please, guys, hit the notification bell so when we put out more video, you can see it when it come out. You see me, and please subscribe. Hit the notification bell. Also, comments, peeps. Please, and bigger comments and let me know what to do. You see me, and what to cook. Yeah.